afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Vivo India, I would like to welcome you all to this super packed Vivo V20 launch event. Well, my sincere gratitude to everyone for joining us on this extremely special day. Now, let's get the excitement a notch higher and talk about the highlight of today's event. Today, we promise to wow you as we launch the latest addition to the Vivo V series family. Well, I've been told by the Vivo team that today will mark the day what the smartphone industry will regard as a benchmark and a milestone in smartphone design. What else? Well, 20 lucky winners are also going to walk away with a Vivo V20 phone for themselves. So, what are you waiting for? Keep answering the questions shown on the screen for a chance to win. And now, let's get this show on the road. And for that, let me invite on stage a very familiar name. None other than Mr. Nipun Maurya, Vivo India's Director for Brand Strategy.
Hello everyone and welcome to the launch of the much awaited, extremely gorgeous and probably the most stunning phone of 2020, the Vivo V20. For the many watching us from home, on behalf of the entire Vivo India family, we hope you are safe and healthy. Today, we are not only launching a new entrant to the much loved, much anticipated Vivo V series, but are reiterating our commitment to providing innovative technology in the mid-premium segment. But before we jump into the product features, let me take a moment to take you through the three key pillars that build brand Vivo. The three fundamental pillars that uphold brand Vivo are: first, camera; second, design; and third, our commitment to India. These three principles form the DNA of all our operations and reflect in all our activities. Let me take you through them one by one. Camera. Over the last few years, Vivo has been synonymous with camera innovations. We take great pride in being the front runners in smartphone camera technology and the pioneers when it comes to clicking delightful moments. Today, Vivo's young consumers are undergoing a big transformation. The transformation from a consumer of content to a creator of content. Thanks to better camera output, ample storage, and improvements in the imaging hardware, coupled with numerous innovations, have turned smartphones into the default go-to device for content creators. And we at Vivo want this to be available for one and all. The rise of content creation platforms and the popularity they are getting from the Indian audience is a showcase of the importance of self-expression via video. As video selfies become the new normal, our goal is to provide camera innovation to the creators of today. So this was about the first pillar, camera. Let's now talk about the second pillar, design. We at Vivo believe it is pivotal that we lay immense focus and commitment towards making our phones much more attractive and ergonomic. And that is why we have always strived to introduce benchmarks in smartphone design. Whether it was launching the slimmest phone in the world's first smartphone with the highest screen-to-body ratio, or introduction of the world's first unibody smartphone. Design has and will always be an essential factor in all Vivo devices. Our engineers spend millions of man-hours perfecting our smartphone designs, making sure that every Vivo device is not just a piece of handheld technology, but a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The third and final pillar is our commitment to the India market. As we celebrate 6 glorious years in this great nation, we are proud to be a part of the world's biggest democracy and bow our heads in gratitude for the love we have received from this market. Our 50,000 plus strong family is proud to deliver exceptional smartphone devices that are made in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Greater Noida. With every Vivo smartphone device sold in India carrying our Vivo Make in India logo, we assure one and all that a fellow hardworking Indian has made this phone possible. Another aspect of our commitment to India is our commitment to our retailers. We have tried to be a trusted partner of our retailers since the beginning of our journey in India and will continue to do so in the years to come. In this direction, today we have one big announcement to make. By partnering with IDFC First and Bajaj Finance, we have announced waiving off of the dealer charges which are payable by our dealers to banks and NBFCs for EMI schemes. As per our calculations, this alone will help in saving more than 2 crore rupees in 2 months. Our commitment to India and its citizens goes beyond our direct business interests. From the time COVID-19 has hit us, we have tried to help in every possible way by distributing masks and sanitizers to all the heroes who have cared for us, whether they were doctors, healthcare workers, or police personnel. And today, when schools have shifted to online teaching, we have committed ourselves to provide smartphones to those students who cannot afford one. The kids you see on the screen are Sanjana, Shravani, Saloni, and Garud. They study in grade 9 and 10 of Sadhana Vidyalaya School, Dharavi. We recently provided brand new Vivo phones to them to help them attend their online classes. And we are trying to ensure that many other students like them don't miss their classes or lag behind in school just because they don't have a smartphone. So this was a brief on what Vivo as a brand is thinking and doing. Our focus on providing smartphones with the best designs and cameras, and our commitment to India through our retail presence and CSR efforts. Thank you once again for joining us today. Love India, love Vivo.
Thank you so much, Mr. Maria, for reiterating the 3 fundamental pillars of Vivo India. Well, now that we've understood these pillars, let's see how the Vivo V20 is going to deliver on these promises. And for that, I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Nikhil Bhargav, Product Director, to take us through the V20 product presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nikhil, and I feel honored to welcome you to the most anticipated launch of this year. Today, we've witnessed the pinnacle of smartphone photography. A device, perhaps, it is the best that has been offered to the consumers in a long time. A device that caters seamlessly to the needs of Indian consumer. So, how did it all begin? It began with a simple thought: India. Now, India is a colorful country. Its diversity, its culture, and more importantly, its people make it one of the most beautiful countries of this planet. And we Indians are extremely social. Our value system teaches us to stay connected with our friends, our families, with whom we share our feelings and emotions. And photography comes across as one of the best mediums to capture and share our emotions. Well, my friend Tanmay just tried doing that. And his struggle to get that one video right was our inspiration, or I must say, our entertainment. Aren't we lucky to have such a hilarious muse? Let's check out his shenanigans and do watch out for a star cameo.
Hi, Chata. Come, let's click a picture. Chatu, 1 second, Chatu. Sit still. Let me click a picture, Chatu. Chatu, 1 second, Chatu. Nah. Stop it. Stop eating the pillow. Stop it. Chatter, stop it. Chatter, stop it. Oh, hey, look. Look. Man, I wish I could capture better pictures of this silly boy. Actually, maybe I can.
And now I call on stage my friend, my buddy, Tanmay. Hey buddy, how are you?
I'm good, Nikhil. Thanks for having me.
Are, he's so cute, yaar. We should have signed him as an influencer.
Yeah, he's very cute, but he's not going to be any good as an influencer because वो still बैठता ही नहीं है. And it's becoming such a pain to shoot with him. And the whole reason why I got him was I was like, मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ेगा Instagram पे like उठाने के लिए. And now I'm just doing cardio between my hall and my bedroom. I'm like, I might as well become a fitness influencer at this rate, right?
Don't lose hope, yaar. You know what? We've got a solution tailor-made for this.
I hope it works.
I'm sure it'll.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to try out this solution and I'm going to get my hands on the phone and tell you what I feel about it as soon as possible. If you want this phone, answer this simple question on your screen and win a Vivo V20 and become the next big vlogger. Thank you, Nikhil.
Thanks, Tanmay.
I'm going to send you the first few videos of chat as soon as I shoot them.
I'm telling you, they'll work just fine.
Pakka.
I'm guaranteeing it.
Done. I'll see you soon.
Like Tanmay, more and more Indians are standing in front of the camera to narrate their story. This new selfie culture has brought focus to the most expressive feature of our face, the human eye. Our eyes express emotions better than any other medium. And we at Vivo understand the value of this. So today, we've introduced a technology to bring eye in focus. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you eye autofocus technology, clarity in stillness and in motion. Eye autofocus is an intelligent algorithm which helps you achieve focus even in motion. It keeps your subject in sharp focus by automatically locking onto their eyes, giving unmatched clarity to your videos and stills. So, how did we do it? Using autofocus technology, we put in a motor which allows the front lens to move back and forth to give crystal clear focus. The moving lens also means that you can take selfie from as close as 15 centimeters to infinity and everything in between. And all of this can be done within 0.01 seconds. Now let me tell you how fast that is. It is less than 1/4 the time you take to blink your eye. Fascinating, isn't it? With V20, focus is guaranteed, near and far. Now let me show you how this works. Another big stride for V20 is the 44 megapixel front camera. It features an industry leading flagship sensor that has 37.5% more pixels than a standard 32 MP sensor. And with 44 megapixel at your disposal, you can zoom in as rigorously as you want and you will still get vivid and clear details. With 4 times the resolution of a regular Full HD video, Vivo's V20's 44 megapixel front camera can record amazing videos in high resolution which help you showcase yourself in more detail and richer colors. You, the creator, will love the details front camera is able to provide. But then, why should you stop at 4K or single camera when you can double your creative prowess by recording with 2 cameras at the same time? The effect it creates is like a 360-degree view of the world around you. There are also two modes to view your creations, picture in picture and dual view video. Yet another manner in which you can make a video is with slow-mo. With selfie videos being captured at amazing 240 frames per second, slow motion is a great way to uncover your creative potential. All the details of your action and even your inner emotion can be fully expressed. Just turn on the slow-mo selfie video to showcase exciting action without losing clarity. Jitter, as we know, is a big problem when recording selfie videos in motion. Vivo's industry-first steady-face selfie video uses advanced algorithms to identify this jitter. It then adjusts the frame accordingly to offset the motion. Now you can move any way you like and your face will remain steady in the videos always. Another amazing feature of the 44 megapixel front camera is the large aperture of f2.0, which works seamlessly with multiple exposure, frame selection, and noise reduction algorithm to enhance the brightness, the purity, and contrast, giving you the best selfies every time. Now, Super Night mode can be also used in tandem with our popular selfie illumination tool or a screen light. It can automatically adjust to the ambient light no matter how dark it is, giving you night shots that are always on the point. Now let's just do a quick relook at what all this amazing front camera has to offer. It has eye autofocus, which will ensure that you have clarity in your videos and your stills. It has an industry-leading 44 megapixel front camera. It comes loaded with video features like 4K, dual view video, slow-mo, and steady face selfie video. And last but certainly not the least, Super Night mode and Aura screen light to give you the best night selfie experience. Till now, we spoke how we enable consumers to express themselves, tell their stories to the world. Now let's see how we empower consumers to see and capture this mesmerizing world it has to offer. For that, we give you one of the best rear camera setups in the segment. Our triple rear camera comes loaded with industry-leading 64 megapixel primary camera. It is coupled with an extremely versatile 8 megapixel multi-purpose lens delivering super wide angle, super macro, and bokeh effect. And of course, how can we not talk about the mono lens, which lends outstanding contrast and sharpness to all your images. Now imagine you are spending a beautiful evening sailing on this yacht. Can this moment become any better than this? What if I add a mesmerizing view to this? And all this can be seamlessly captured by V20's 64MP main camera. And when the evening falls, this is the view that you will be able to capture through 64MP night camera. V20's main rear camera has super light sensitivity and super high tolerance. Even in low light, it can shoot clear pictures. You will never experience a disappointing image, be it day or night. V20's super wide angle comes with an amazing 120-degree field of view, which means that your images and your emotions never get cropped. And V20's macro lens lets you take extreme close-up shots up to 2.5 centimeters. Now that's a territory no other phone can enter.
Nikhil!
V20 also comes loaded with
Nikhil. Oh, looking good. Great set. Can you help me out with something?
I'm in the middle of something, man.
I know, it's kind of urgent.
Okay, tell me.
It's just that every time I take a photograph in low light, my face gets so pixelated, it looks illegal.
Illegal.
Yeah, just look at what happened.
Okay, so you ready to roll? I just need it for some client work, huh?
Yeah, man.
How's it?
Dude, you're in like darkness.
Oh, then change the exposure, no?
Oh, now it's too bright, brighter than the sun.
Okay,
Oh, now it's too dark, darker than a black hole.
okay, cool.
Oh, sepia.
Sepia? Dude, why don't you take a normal photo?
Oh, man, now it's too blurry.
Wait, my face is blurry? Like how blurry?
Blurrier than your future, man.
Okay, what?
Damn, now you're too pixelated.
How pixelated?
You know how when in a family movie they want to show love, but they show two flowers, head bumping, and then you know how they...
You know, it's a metaphor, Yeah, but I get without it.
Okay. Now what do we do?
I look like Minecraft, man.
That's exactly how you look. Anyways, I know what the problem is, and I've got just the perfect solution for you. You know what? V20 comes loaded with Super Night mode. It has an intelligent algorithm, and it automatically detects the scene, adjusts exposure, and gives you photographs which are bright.
Now that's exactly what I need. So,
You'll have to wait till the launch, my dear friend.
I knew it. But apparently you guys don't have to wait. If you get the answers to this question, you will get the Vivo V20 before I would. Thanks, huh? Thanks. Thanks a lot. I'm going.
Now, to further add to your night photography skills, we offer 4 popular stylish night filters. Cyberpunk is dreamy and futuristic. Black gold looks luxurious and high-end. Blue eyes is calm and aloof, while green orange is vibrant and passionate. Nowadays, it is popular to use videos to express ourselves and showcase our personalities. V20 allows your videos to tell more powerful stories through motion autofocus. It supports eye, face, body continuous tracking so that the focus remains firmly on your subject when he or she moves. And of course, Vivo's powerful mono mode and bokeh features add sophistication and creativity to your videos and make your subjects the absolute center of attention. Now let's see what all our amazing rear camera has to offer. It has an industry-leading 64MP main camera. It also delivers 120 degrees of super wide angle and a super macro that enables clicks at an amazing distance of 2.5 centimeters. It also stays true to its night photography DNA and offers enhanced super night mode. It also takes videos to the next level with motion autofocus and art portrait videos. So up till now, I have been talking technology and appealing to your mind. Now allow me to talk to your heart. Let's discuss the amazing design of V20. Now there are 3 responses to a piece of design. There is a yes, there is a no, and there is a wow. And at Vivo, we believe only wow is worth aiming for. Now, other than materials and body lines, colors are yet another element we use for artistic expression. And this time, our designers look beyond colors commonly associated with technology. They crossed over industries to seek out new shades that better express emotions and humanity. And they found inspiration in the unmatched natural beauty of India. The colors that you will see now will remind you of beautiful beaches of Goa or dark clouds of Cherrapunji or maybe the snow-clad mountains up north. Our first color instantly reminds you of a sunset beach with crystal blue oceans bathing in orange dusk. Clouds drift in the sky and all colors join together to compose a mesmerizing melody. You can see bursts of different hues when you look from different angles. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Sunset Melody. Now, Sunset Melody is a special color. To achieve this amazing visual effect, we use 3 techniques: vacuum sputter coating, nanoscale texture machining, and gem standard iridescence processing. In a vacuum environment, we reduced ores to molecular particles, which are then processed into a film, followed up with nanoscale texture machining to enhance both the reflective finish and texture. So when you hold it in your hands, you can see cold and warm colors transitioning vertically and multiple hues mixing horizontally. Thanks to gem standard iridescence processing, when you turn the phone, you can see red, orange, blue, purple, and other colors at various saturation and brightness. Enjoy the burst of different hues when you look from different angles. It's like a gemstone or a shifting horizon, both trend-setting and magical. The next edition features a classic black tone on a delicate matte surface with a subtle transition to silver and grey. It speaks of confidence and power. Light and shade dance across the matte surface like a flow of jazz beats. It's both dynamic and distinctive. Ladies and gentlemen, the Midnight Jazz. Our third offering surface features a delicate shade transition. It's like a sonata played in the moonlight. Underneath the tranquility lies strong emotions. It's pure, elegant, and quiet, but has the power to heal the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, the Moonlight Sonata. Now let's take a pause to watch this beautiful video. You know, recently my dear friend Jannat reached out to me. She had a very particular problem. Let's just hear from her directly what the issue was.
You mean I can't wear what delights me? Oh, God.
Hi Jannat,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Very well.
More importantly, where have you been? I've been really trying to call you. You're not taking my calls. Did you just again ditch your phone for your dress?
Dekha, we girls have to sacrifice so much in the name of fashion.
Well, what if I tell you now you don't have to sacrifice? We just may have something which will probably complement your dress than being a blooper.
Really? You mean you have something that can match my style quotient?
Your style quotient might be a little difficult, but what I have can come real close.
Okay, but why should I believe you?
Just don't. All you have to do is wait for some time and watch it live.
Okay, let's see what you have in store for me. Guys, while I wait, please keep your eyes glued to the screen for the next question, which may let you win a Vivo V20 for yourself. I'm damn excited and I'm looking forward to it.
Thanks, Jannat.
Please carry on.
Now, aesthetics is not the only thing that we focus on when we say design. We want the designs to be functional also. No one wants to carry a thick phone that fills up the pockets or a phone which causes pain in the wrist after extended usage. So when we designed a phone which is both slim and functional, the design of V20 is a real breakthrough. We custom designed 6 key units, which included the bottom speakers, which are now only 3.5 mm thick. We relooked at unibody black polarizer, and 44 MP eye autofocus camera now is only 4.2 mm thick. The battery and the battery covers were also relooked at. We all know that the battery is one of the biggest phone components. We found a solution to achieve higher energy density, making the battery 0.14 mm thinner than other phone batteries of the same capacity. And in this slender body, we managed to fit a 4000 mAh battery. Now this resulted in V20's body being industry leading at just 7.38 mm thin, and it weighs just 171 grams, a new record for V series. Now undoubtedly, the highlight of the back panel of the phone is the camera matrix, featuring our innovative dual tone step design. The top step is in black and contains cameras. The second step has metallic tones. This novel design offsets the camera's protrusions and puts everything in neat order, while anti-glare matte frosting adds a premium matte texture to the glass cover. It's smooth yet not prone to fingerprint smears. Anti-fingerprint vacuum coating further ensures that fingerprints won't taint your beautiful phone ever. Now let's recall the key highlights of this amazing design of V20. V20 will come in 3 gorgeous colors, and thanks to anti-glare and anti-fingerprint technologies, there will be no finger marks on your phone. And with 7.38 mm slimness and only 171 grams weight, V20 is definitely creating some personal records. Now that we have discussed about the camera and design, let's talk about experience. We all have old photos that we cherish. Some of them may be low in resolution or blurry, or they may have faded and lost their color. Memory Recaller is a restoration tool which can make them new again with sharp focus, original luster and vibrant colors. It's a great way to relive your memories that have long since passed. Now, Dynamic Sky can identify and isolate the sky in your image. And once you draw a pattern, the sky can even move along, making your images come alive. You can also change the sky to how you want to show it. Now it's time to move on to the operating system, which is where you get to interact with all the amazing features we've covered so far. V20's OS is based on Android 11. It is totally refreshing to look at and to interact with. It follows original design with themes and app icons that look edgy. It has a strong sense of high technology and is simple, efficient, yet intuitive to interact with. But what good is a software without the support of a competent hardware? Now, V20 delivers powerful performance in all aspects. It runs on a Snapdragon 720G, a 7 series processor from Qualcomm. And compared with the last generation Snapdragon, it increases multi-threading processing by 20% and single-threading processing by 44%. The GPU performance increases by 14% and AI engine by 115%. It lays a solid foundation for all the system and cameras to excel. V20 comes with fast and secure 33-watt flash charge, which can charge up to 65% in just 30 minutes. So you never have to pause. Now let's take a pause to watch this video.
Hi guys, good morning. Just wanted to give you an idea. This is my second year here and I just got promoted. I'm keeping working for this guy, okay?
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly taking up high down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, or if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly taking up high down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. Did you ever see it out? We're in a town down by the bay. Did you ever see it out? We're in a town down by the bay.
So, are you excited? I certainly am. 44 megapixel eye autofocus front camera and a 64 megapixel rear camera certainly is a complete photography package, and a class-leading slimness of just 7.38 mm make it one of the most desirable smartphones in the segment. With features like 4K video, slow-mo, dual view, super macro and super night mode, V20 is certainly the one to watch out for. So, is that it? Or there is more delight coming your way? Now let me introduce you to V20 SE. It has 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera along with super night mode and aura screen light, which can take your night selfie experience to another level. Talking about the stunning and stylish colors, our designers took their inspiration from the depths of the universe and nature's grace to give you gravity black and aquamarine green. Now with Vivo's advanced 33-watt flash charge technology, you can enjoy a charge up to 62% in just 30 minutes or a full charge in less than an hour. I know you're excited, but you'll have to wait just a little longer to get your hands on V20 SE.
Wow, guys, now wasn't that mind-blowing? Well, I'm super excited to experience the phone, and I'm sure you all are as well. Well, one thing is clear here, that the V20 is going to help people like you and me who love to capture delightful moments in life. So, what are we waiting for? Ladies and gentlemen, the moment is finally here. Let me present to you the first look of the all-new Vivo V20. Here we go.
Wow, what a mesmerizing experience. Isn't it delightful? The moment which you have been eagerly waiting for is here. Let's look at the price and offers. The Vivo V20 will come in two variants. The 8128 variant is priced at rupees 24,990, while the 8256GB variant is at just rupees 27,990. Pre-booking starts from today till 19th October. Sales start from 20th October.
Not just this, we have some amazing sales offers across channels. So this brings us to the end of the presentation.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The all-new V20 is finally here. Well, I can't wait to get my hands on this phone, and so can you, starting 20th October, and the Vivo V20 SE that'll be coming really soon. I thank you all for taking out your time to join us on this incredible special day and for participating in the contest. I'm sure you're looking forward to trying the new phone. Follow us on our social media handles, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook to see if you are one of the lucky winners. Coming to you soon, the all-new Vivo V20 at all offline and online stores. Till then, stay safe and take care if you're stepping out.